Hey guys, it's Frank from Adventures Outdoors. We bought this gazebo, Gazelle Gazebo. It was on sale at Princess Auto. Was it $179? Regularly $279. It was $100 off. So thought, well, we'll do an unboxing. This is the first time we've opened it, and we'll have a look at it. So let's have a look, see what it's like. Should be good. We thought it'd be a nice addition for our camping. Maybe even take up to the camp. Wow. So it comes in a nice little carrying case. All velcroed in. That's pretty cool.
Nice loose bag, so you can fit extra in there.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, we bought panels for it as well, so that's a bonus. So we bought panels so that you get some privacy panels on it. Oh.
We don't need no stinking
instructions. The beauty of this tent is it's like my fishing shack. It's like fishing shacks, you know, the I don't know what you call them, self-standing. You don't have to build anything or put anything together. I don't know what these are for.
I think they go in the front.
You may be right. I'm sure you are. It's got some tent pegs with it. Let's have a look. Oh yeah. It's got some tent pegs, some line for securing it down. That's pretty good.
You want a two-man or you want to do it single first time?
Oh, it doesn't matter. Yeah. Where's the entrance? Oh. Here, let's just pick it up, turn it. Yeah. A little more. Oh.
There we go.
Wow. That's awesome. Holy smoke, that goes together so quick, so slick. This is better than what
I think those poles go here.
or do they go across? I don't know.
That's what I mean.
Well, let's see. Oh yeah, they go there. Yeah, you're right.
Excuse me?
I can't believe it, but you're right.
That's twice you said I was right.
Yeah, I know. Anybody who's seen my ice fishing shack videos, the first time that I got my tent and opened it up and it blew across the lake and I was running down the lake and some kid with a hockey stick came in and stopped it.
Even has a...
What's that?
all the way around.
Oh, you know what? The flap, I know what it is. When you put your privacy things on, the rain that is on the outside.
Oh, I thought these were... Okay, yeah, that makes
So
sense.
you put, this is like an awning, like you put it...
Okay, so you can buy these three panels separately. They were, for the three, it was $49.99. It'd be great if it's raining or what have you.
Yeah, it's good.
Hi, baby boy.
You coming to check it out? buddy? Come on, check it out. Check out the new dog.
Just like that.
Like it?
Let it be known I will be getting another pack. In case it's downpour rain, we can still sit in there with our chairs. And our birdski. Coming in? Yeah. Only enough room for the two of us. There we go. How do you like that? Huh? Oh, silly bird. Go see Papa. Get over here. Go see Papa.
Come on.
There you go.
There he was. There he was. Inside now, protected from the bugs. Oh wait, there's a bug in here.
Oh, that's it. Take it back. Just like that, we have a gazebo.
I like it. You bet. Yeah, so there's the grommets. You can see how well these are made. I was going to say, because the outside grommets look really weak. I was like, oh my god, do you get any wind? But that's why this is here. So you can put the grommet, you go in through here on the inside to hold it down. Yeah. Makes more sense. And now the skirt is on the outside to keep the water away. And so all I did was tied a bowline hitch there so it can come off easily enough. And then on this end, if you're doing this right, on this end, you see you've got a sliding piece for tightening it up. So a lot of tents and stuff come with these sorts of things. So yeah.
So
Yeah.
far.
Yeah.
Don't leave
Come
your dog. Come on. Let's
Come on.
go. He's like, no, I'm liking it in here.
You can stay in if
You
you
can
want.
put your bed in there.
But it's like most places, right? Like right now, this time of year, we get a lot of. Right now, the mosquitoes here are thick. Say just after supper for only for about an hour or two. This would be great. Sit in here for an hour or two. Maybe watch a flick, do something. Yeah, perfect.
If you guys have any questions about it, ask Frank.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Say bye. Say bye.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.